Okay. I'm gonna plug now. Here, look. This plug over here, down there. I plug, and there's no light on top here. The power button doesn't work. Let me press it. Look, I press it. There's nothing there. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Okay, it's very clean. I cleaned it up, everything, but it's not working. Okay, now when I plug this in another place, hold on. Now this is now in a different place, a different plug. I'm gonna plug it right now. Look, I plug it there, and look, nothing, no light, nothing. I press again the power button. Doesn't work. There's nothing work. See, very clean. I cleaned it up very nicely. Before it was not dripping. It was not dripping from here. No coffee was coming out of there. And now it doesn't turn on. The whole thing doesn't work anymore. All right, thanks. This is Mr. Rodriguez.